Hi everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here for Spellbinders to show you another monthly kit that they have created, and it's specifically for their Glimmer Hot Foil System, which I think is great. You know, we have this system, sometimes we don't know what we want to do or have, we may not have all the products. Spellbinders is going to help you build that stash with a monthly kit, which I think is great. I think this system is wonderful, and I love the first set that they started right off the bat with, Sentiments. It is perfect, and I think what is even better that they've added to it is the banner dies. So I love this system. I really do. I'm finding I'm using it more and more for accents on my cards, whether it's just a section or whatever. But I too am having struggles with getting the image straight on the cardstock. I'm getting better. Again, practice makes us better. So I keep practicing that. But, you know, there's times that it goes crooked or, you know, off angle, however we want to say it. And that's okay. But at least with those banner dies, that'll help you get those straight. So I'm also pulling out a couple a Glimmer plate set that I had, and when you put these together, it creates the most beautiful oval shape with all of these swirls and flourishes and all these beautiful things. Now, I am not going to show you how to operate the Glimmer. I will link, you saw my fingers going there a little bit ago, you know, doing voiceover here. I will definitely have those videos linked in the beginning and then also in the description. So, of course, right off the bat, I made an awesome boo-boo, and of course, I will let you know. So, see how my Glimmer plates got the gold on it? Well, we put the gold foil upside down. Remember, when you put your foil on your plates, the silver side needs to be up at you, not the other way around. Yeah, that's what I did. So it adheres to the plate. Now, at this point, I'm like, oh my God, what did I do? So I needed to know if this was still going to work. I am happy to say when we put the foil on the right way, which is that way, you know, put the back side up to you, foil side down, back side up, foil side down. Let's sing it. All right. It did not ruin the plate. It still worked. So you will actually see that. So I'm going to show you the layering and so forth. When I pull off my shim, yes, the gold is still there. It's going to be. But you can see that when we put the gold on the foil on the correct way, this is the most absolutely beautiful image that you get. And you can see, okay, I'm a little off. I'm okay with that. I can trim it. I can cut it down. So, again, what you're going to get in the kit are the sentiments, not the flourish, but I will link to that below. Again, I'm going to say this again. You get the sentiments and the banner dies, all of these that I have on that piece of magnet sheet. And note, the magnet sheet does not come when you get your kit. Just saying, okay, that's my magnet sheet. But the flourishes you can buy separately. Okay, can't stress that enough. But I am loving these sentiments. There are so many choices. You know, you have the with love, you have the thank you, just for you, best wishes, miss you, hello there, congratulations, happy birthday. That pretty much covers it all. Now, there are other sentiment dies available as well with the die to cut around them, and I'll link down to that one before. Again, I've shown that in a previous video as well. So again, you can see the congratulations is a little crooked. I'm not worried at all because I have the banner die that I can cut that out, and then I can straighten up the edges with my scissors. So I think it is an awesome set for them to start right off the bat. I think it'll help you to get more use. Sometimes we look at these systems and say, but it's so limiting. It's specific. And this one is specific. But what I also like about it is it can be very versatile at the same time. All right, so yes, you can create this completely gold foiled card, which is what I'm exactly creating here. Or you can use it just for your sentiments to give that special accent. Maybe you like watercoloring or using colored pencils and all of that, but you want this accent of the gold to come across. This system will work over a watercolor panel and so forth. And I'll be showing that as I continue to use this system. Again, I am one. Let's play around with it. Let's test it out. Let's see what we can do. And I'm finding it can really do a lot. So I'll be showing those techniques as we continue. I'm going to take this panel, back to the card, I got a little rammy there. I'm going to prop this panel up using my double-sided foam tape, and I'm going to put it down onto a piece of gold foil or gold metallic, gold mirror, whatever you want to call that, cardstock. Now, I cut it just 1/4 of an inch bigger. Now, this piece is off size. This is a 4 1/4, and I believe it is cut to 5 1/4 or 5 inches. So very different. So the gold was cut a little, exactly that size as well. So I have the white border on each of the sides. We don't have to have a perfect frame going down. Look at your piece, and just because you don't have that perfect frame doesn't mean that you can't use it. Use your card base as part of your frame as well, which is what I did. I cut a piece of the gold mirrored cardstock, the length of the card, which of course is 5 1/2, and this is approximately 1/2 inch. And I'm going to take my congratulations banner, and I use the one with the fishtails on both sides. I'm going to prop this up using some double-sided foam squares, and I'm going to set that on top of that gold band, but down a little bit, so that you can see the gold band running along the top. This way, it helps to give it a frame. I didn't want to frame the banner exactly on top of it. It would have lost, it would have gotten melded back into the background, I felt. So that's why I just showed when you're looking at it head on, you've just got this little bit of line going across the top of the gold to help accent that. So again, this is the Glimmer Kit of the month, which I think is awesome. Right off the bat, here are what the sentiments look like. I actually just foiled them for you real quick. And then again, you get the 2 banner dies. You get a straight and you get one with fishtails, and they will all fit in the one with the fishtails as well, which is great. As you can see, I used the longest one. Congratulations. So, excuse me. So if you're looking to build up your stash in a very simple way, Spellbinders, of course, and as always, has made it easy for you. This is the set that I used. It's called Flourishes Flames, or excuse me, Flourishes Frames, not Flames, although it could be like that. And again, I will have that linked below as well. So just to add some special touches to this, because once you get with foil, you want to keep going. You can never have too much shine and glimmer. I am going to use some ivory gems onto my card. They will be linked below. I believe these are the Studio Katya that I have here, and what I like about those is all the different sizes that are available. So I'm just placing these around just to help accent. And also, that oval was a little bit off. That's okay. I connected them with the 2 gems. So again, there's always ways to hide things. But again, they are happy accidents and allow us to do that. So as always, these are the close-ups of the cards that we made today. I hope you did enjoy it. Please, Spellbinders has so many club kits, which I think is great. You hit everybody, whether you like dies, whether you like stamps, whether you like the card kit. Now they have the Glimmer, they have the amazing Paper Grace. They're all of there, and I will make sure the links are down below. If you have any questions, please leave those down below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and I have 2 videos here that I thought may interest you. My Glimmer playlist, and then also another video where I'm using the system as well. I hope everyone's having a great day, and always remember, be creative.